That's that plain tunnel. There's just nothing in there. Well, I was just telling you guys about these tunnels and that river's pretty, y'all. I have my GoPro ready for making videos or pictures. So, that's all.
Get some adventures, y'all. We back at the creek trying to redeem ourselves. Last time we come here it was too cold. So Isaac's gonna come down here and try with Daddy's pole. He likes to use these cane poles, guys, are the only thing to use for these chubs. If you don't stay out of that water, they won't bite you, baby.
I was just rinsing my camera.
Oh, you're rinsing the camera. All right. You want here? You want to try or not?
Yeah.
Well, you have to hold it like this. Look, fling it out there. Here.
Okay.
There's bites. Sun's back. They're jerking. Got to jerk kind of hard.
Okay.
Now, wait a minute. Don't sling it out there again. There you go. Hold it. Use your wrist. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Go. Drop it. There you go. Watch your line. It's going. It's running. Jerk. Oh. He's on there yet. Can you see him? See your bait? Oh. No. There you go. I think he jerked his lips off, y'all. These things have been tough, ain't they?
Yeah.
Gotta get you in. Here, I'll throw it in. Daddy sees him. Try to get you a big one. Watch your line. He's already gone. Oh. Oh, he almost had me. Drop it back down. Drop it back down. No, got the weather's taking it. I know they're being tough. Alright, we're already on it. They're just little ones. Wait till big ones. See them eating it? Good.
I can't see it.
You don't see it down there?
Because it's a light. So when I see it outside the sun,
Okay.
it's
Hang on, I might put you a big one.
They're smart. They know that hook's on.
Why, yeah, they do. These are the smartest fish y'all ever seen. Here, oh, you had that one. If you jerk once, just keep pulling. Okay? Keep tension on it.
I know that.
Yeah. Hang on. Oh, you had it. Hang on. Now jerk hard. Jerk. Ah. He's on there. They're hard, guys. They're just hanging on to the night crawler. Got the smallest hook I got in the tackle box on there. I want to get even more smaller ones, I guess. Oh, wait a minute. They're not on there. I tell you, they're just biting. There you go, big one.
Yes!
Big one. Isaac got him a big one, y'all. Good job. You got him. So if he gets one like that to hit it, he'll know it. That's it. I mean, what? Probably 6, 7 inch.
I see him.
I better put him in there. They don't hold him. Oh, get him. Get him by the lip.
Okay.
Squeeze him. Squeeze him hard. Oh, yeah, you have to hold him like that. Go show the camera what you caught. Look, y'all. Something about some big catfish bait.
That's real loud.
Good job. So
I think he died.
nah. We will keep these alive for as long as we can.
Yeah.
And then as they die out, we freeze them. I don't like frozen bait, but at this time of the year, we don't have no other choice. So. That was a big one. I can't believe you got a hold of that one.
Oh.
See, Daddy can't hook it either.
I just hooked one.
They smart.
The first
ain't they?
one on it.
Oh, you want to go again?
Yeah, I like it.
Well, oh, back.
I can get it.
All right. That's hard to do.
Wait.
We got it.
1, 2, 3.
Drop it. That's just when you sling it, drop it. They'll find it. Oh, there you go. Right there. Drop it. Good job. Oh, let's see it. Oh.
They flew out to one line on it.
A little bit. I'll try it in there for you. There's only one little hole here, guys, at the wrap. It's hard to get to it. It's hard. Hard. There you go. There you go. That might be it.
Jeez,
I know you gotta let him eat it a minute. Let him eat it. Then the big one will get on it. There you go. You got it.
Oh, it's flying.
Let him eat it. Let him eat it.
See? Told you they get off.
You gotta let him eat it longer.
Keep on trying, y'all.
Oh, good try. That's perfect. You got it. Now let him eat it. Let him eat it. Let it go to the bottom. The big ones are at the bottom. They'll just keep nibbling until it gets down on there. Makes them fight. Got it? Got it. Got it. Got it. Don't even let him eat it a little bit.
You was right, Daddy.
You got him down there on that
Hey,
one.
don't be a sore loser, guys.
Good job.
You never know.
Say never know till you throw.
Never know till you throw, y'all. Real fine fishing here, y'all. At the muddy swamp. Muddy swamp. Swamp lake.
Oh man, Daddy's getting mud all over his britches already.
Them are your,
See, y'all, that's why you can't have no nice thing.
yeah, because it always, it's, these are nice foods, but,
Whoa. One time to get it. Wait. Let him eat it. It won't get you.
I'm doing it at the same time.
Yeah. Don't let him eat it a minute. See your line?
Yeah.
You see it? Now watch it when it goes tight. Work like that. Just sit. Jerk it a little. Don't know where's that.
You know what?
Bagel? Yeah, you feel him? Let's sink. Let's sink. Got him. Oh.
Why are you doing
Good.
that?
He ate good. Oh. Fine. Come on, real good. Jerk. When it runs like that, then you jerk it. You might do it. Good. You run. Jerk. Got him. Good job.
So I didn't do
Creek chubbing, y'all. We having fun. It's almost dark on us. We got to get our catfish bait ready to go for the year. Isaac's pole still got skunk on it. He don't like it. All right, y'all. Daddy's gonna do a review on your pole. All right, guys. I'm gonna give you a review on this little pole we bought. Remember? It's I Oh, $20-some. It would be good if you was just dropping in a hole and backpacking. That's really all it's intended for. But as far as casting and trying to catch a fish on it, it's not easy. I mean, this pole's so little, you just don't get no hook set with it. So, would I recommend it? Not really. You can actually buy these cane poles and get an extra 12 foot and extend them out. This one you can put a reel seat on. It's got a reel seat on it. You can put you a reel on it. But anyway, I fished with it some. Not a big fan. I even have a hard time trying to hook anything on it. And it reels as slow as a snail.
Yeah.
So a little bit longer one in the same aspect would be great, with a little bit bigger gear ratio. Maybe get you a 4 foot or 5 foot one. You get, oh, that's a good one. That's a cat him a good one, y'all.
Honey hole now.
You in the honey hole? All by itself, y'all.
Okay, stay still. Stay still. I don't want to hook myself.
I can't believe it. I got the stank. Look, no more skunk on your pole.
How?
I got one. It don't stink no more. Look, smell it. It smells like fish now. Does it smell like fish?
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't like that pole too much.
I do.
Well, anyway.
I can bait it myself.
Not real. Oh, now he's gonna take that one. Don't question him, buddy.
Sorry.
You're all right. Now, what happened to this pole? It broke. And why? Oh, okay. We're switching poles out.
You have to throw it on the circle.
You can throw it. Pull your line out of it. Great chubbing, y'all.
Yeah.
#1 finest catfish baits in this country. That and shad. About all we use.
Don't be a sore loser. Just keep catching them, y'all.
Just keep trying, huh?
Yep.
They're so finicky, you can't throw any weight or anything. It just scares them off. Alright, spook that time, though. But that little pole will be fine when he can.
Jeez.
When he can fish with a bobber and not have to
pole that don't
try to
work
I
now.
told you. Hey, that's pretty good for some 30-some degree water, guys. I mean, the ice just came off. There's still snow on the banks, and it's cold. Here, you want mine back?
No.
No?
Yeah.
Well, you're dedicated, so.
Go as hard as I can. It don't matter.
Well, pull it out when you pull that line in. Well, y'all, gave the pole to the wife, and look where she heads, right toward the briar patch. Oh, I bet that felt good. Honey, I'm gonna see if she. You found another one? Now it's got a hold of me. Look at her, y'all. Now she slung it. Look at this. Oh, I can't even keep it. Good job, honey.
Thank you.
I think we're having fun with this briar bush back here. Now it's stuck in her leg, she said. Can't stand right there, honey. And that. Alright, see if she gets another one, y'all. I think she's jerking her lips off, y'all. Look at that. I told you.
I didn't do it that time.
I told you she'll have me beat for the rest of the year. Isaac's got his camo on. We can't even find him. What you doing?
I found another Christmas ornament. That thing was down.
Isaac's finding Christmas ornaments, so how funny is that? Hey, check that out, y'all. Now look how big that chub is Isaac caught. That awesome? I had to catch a big old cat. So in this area, you're probably asking what kind of catfish. It's mainly big channel cats. Now, we all have to take us a drive southward to catch some blues. But we have a lot of fun. We go down to Brookville, there's always a chance of getting a big flathead. And there's no blues in there, but there is an occasional flathead catfish. Comes out of the Brookville Lake, which we fish quite often. So they're still there. No, ain't dropped yet. I still see it. And one's biting it. It's pretty funny, guys, if you can see that. I don't know if, there you go. You can see it right there.
There it went.
It still gets off. I got it, I think, on there. So you can see how clear this water is. No, you can see the worm right there. And I pick it up, just swimming with it. It's just a little one. Isaac loves watching them hit it like that. But you can see they just rip the worm apart. There's her line. They just get right off. Boy, they're smart. They just hang on to the worm, suck on it. Alright, we better check on the boy. Did you make it? Hey, Isaac made it across, y'all. Is there any, see if there's any fish in her. Look over there by that log. Baby, look over there by that log over there. Throw a little bit to the left, sweetie. No, left more, even in the middle. Way to the left. Yeah. There you go. They're smart, y'all. Never seen a little creek fish be so smart, but it's like our trout up here is about what it is. What you doing? Hey, that camo blends in real good, Isaac.
Huh?
That camo blends in real good.
Yeah.
She's got one, yeah. This is like really rewarding, and you always want to do just one more cast, it seems like. So we're gonna keep trying here. Uh-oh, y'all, she got a big one.
Got away.
She got a big one. Oh, I can't even hold on to it. Good job, Mama.
Thank you, Dad.
Look at that. Woo! That means there's a copperhead in there.
Huh?
A copperhead snake in there then. Look.
Why does it smell like that?
Look at what he's doing now. He's in the woods and he found him another tunnel.
Thank
I think it smells like onions in there.
We're tearing them up, y'all. Well, y'all, it's been a beautiful evening. We've caught all these fish. We're still catching them here. Oh, got all. But we're gonna wrap this up for y'all, and we're gonna carry this back up to the truck. And well, actually we drove the van here today. Mama had a big one on, but if she gets a big one, we'll get it on here for y'all so you can see it. Creek chubbing. Isaac, what you got to say, baby?
Well, that's all for today.
You cold?
See y'all. Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe. Click the notifications. We need more subscriptions, y'all. Thank y'all for your support, though. We love what we're doing out here and sharing this with you. Just, hey, it's cold out, and we're out here making videos for you guys. You can sit at home on the couch with some popcorn. Check us out. Goodson's Adventures signing out. Love y'all.
Adventures signing out. We love y'all. Bye.
Bye.